are you doing?
What are you talking about?
A gas fireplace. It's not like camping.
What the do you know about camping?
I grew up camping. I know a lot more than you know.
You couldn't last one day. One day camping.
Anna, glamorous Anna, Nicole. Born poor in Texas, struggling, saving, trying to get something. Then you used what you got and that was a lie. You became a household name, married a billionaire. So he was 88, you didn't care. It all disappeared as fast as it came. Anna, glamorous Anna, Nicole. Anna, fabulous Anna, Nicole. You're so outrageous. Anna, Nicole.
What do you want to do?
Don't want to be on the show anymore.
Well, what is it about the show?
I don't want to be famous.
You don't want to be famous?
Basically, just want to be normal.
So how do you think we should talk to your mom?
Go up to her.
Then we'll do it for camping.
Okay.
I've been smoking for a couple years now. I've been trying to quit with the patch. So what do you think I forgot to pack? I have a bad feeling about this whole camping. Hi, we're supposed to be camping with you.
How can I help you?
This is Anna Nicole, and we have,
Hello, Anna.
Nice to meet
Please
you.
meet you. I'm Steve Wooten, Senior Park Ranger.
Hi, Steve.
Hi.
You need to tell us where we're supposed to go.
You're going to camp with us tonight.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay. If you'd like, I can take you down and show you where
Please.
the site is.
Yes.
please.
I didn't think our campground would be in the middle of nowhere. Oh, there's gonna be spiders and snakes and all kinds of over here.
We'll be okay. Anna, he said it's up to you where you want to be.
Right here, I think.
Right here?
Yeah.
Don't get it too close to the fire.
How far?
You want to be about 8 or 10 feet away.
Like this?
And the reason for that is the fire is going to attract some of our desert dwellers.
Animals.
Could be scorpions, tarantulas. As long as you're in your tent and your tent is zipped up, you have no problem with them.
Howard, how's this supposed to work?
Now, yeah.
This tent's a piece of shit. Who bought these tents?
Kimmy?
No, I didn't. I totally did not expect the tent to be this small.
I would have bought it myself if I knew the tent was this f***ing small. Look right here, it's an ant hole or a snake hole. Oh my God, I'm allergic to fire ants. This tent is where the beds go in. Okay, did you blow up the beds?
Yes, I did.
There's no holes or anything.
They go
that's
in
for
here.
spiders to get in and scorpions. Is there?
No, there's no holes.
Are there coyotes out here?
Yes, there are.
Oh.
You do not have to worry about coyotes. The only thing you need to worry about is Sugar Pie. Make sure that she's with you in the tent at night.
Okay.
But the coyotes, this is a path that they might take in the evening. And if you're lucky, you'll hear them chorusing through the night.
Oh, that's great.
Very, very active coyotes around here. You're going to need any help with the lighting of the campfire, or you have that handled?
No, we should be okay.
Okay.
But
All right.
thank you for everything. This will eventually take.
Well, make sure you light it up because this one's already went out. And I'm not wasting this on that no fire shit.
You don't want to...
I think y'all should go in town and get a door frame logs. Well, let's do it now while it's only 6 o'clock. We need chairs anyway, fold up chairs so we could sit by the fire. So we don't have scorpions crawling on my ass.
Okay, then let's just go.
So just get a bunch of Duraflame logs.
So we're good?
I guess me and Daniel will stay here and y'all two go.
Okay.
Be safe. Don't let the spiders and scorpions get you.
I'm scared a snake's gonna come up and go. I've never made my own potty before, but I'm gonna try. Yay. It's gonna work really good. I'm thinking starting a fire can't be that hard. Ouch. Couldn't Howard do this? Woo! Fire! So, Pumpkin, how do you feel about doing the show this year? I mean, do you want to do it? Do you want to not do it? Do you want to halfway do it? Tell Mommy what you're thinking.
I didn't really want to do it this year.
You didn't really want to do it this year?
No.
Okay, that's what you want?
Yeah.
Okay, Pumpkin, all you gotta do is open your mouth and tell me.
Thank you.
Thank you. And give Mommy a kiss. Give me kisses.
Just come to check on how things are going over here.
I got the fire started.
How's camping going?
Pretty damn good now.
I noticed, Anna, that you guys are collecting some dried shrubs,
Yeah.
and that's against our policies at the park here. So,
I'm sorry. So nothing on the ground?
yeah, nothing on the ground,
Okay.
nothing on the shrubs.
Okay.
But I can help you out with some more wood if you need it.
Yeah, we only have, well, I just put our last piece of wood in.
Okay. I can help you out, but if you'd stop gathering and...
Okay. I'm sorry, I didn't know.
No problem. Okay, I just wanted to check with you and see how things are going.
Okay.
I'll be back in a little bit with some wood.
Thanks. Put another log on the fire. Fix me up some bacon and some beans. Oh my God, that's good. Oh my God, they can't come and eat us. No. Surefire, shut up. They're gonna eat you. I'm going back in my tent. If you have to pee-pee in the middle of the night, here's my toilet. I can't believe Howard couldn't make a farm. Hey, I did something that you couldn't do.
Mama, look.
Look what I did.
And you didn't start it with little twigs or anything? You just...
Yeah, I put some little twigs in the middle. Pumpkin. It's really good. What you gonna do when the creek goes dry? Sit on Claudette's back and watch it die.
For me, that was perfect.
I'm ready.
Let's sing a song.
Kumbaya.
All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Kumbaya, my Lord. Kumbaya.
Oh, my eyes are burning.
Kumbaya, my Lord. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my Lord. Kumbaya. Oh, Lord. Kumbaya. Y'all, why ain't y'all singing? I'm joking. the Lord.
I was singing.
No, you weren't. Talking.
I was singing.
You're talking. I looked at you.
Oh.
All right, it's bedtime, y'all.
Good night, John Boy.
Good night, Mary Ellen. Good night, Elizabeth. Daniel. Can tell Mama good night.
Good night, Sugar Pie.
Sorry.
Zip our tent down, Howard. Howard!
Yeah?
There's something out here.
What?
Come here.
The smart thing is to stay in here just in case it's an animal.
Hurry. It's something bigger than a bird at your truck.
Park Ranger Steve, good morning. Are we awake? The fishing clinic, if you're interested, is ready to go. Lake Kauai's fishing clinic. I'll give you a few minutes if you're interested. Let me know now. If not, I'll go about my business. If when you get up, you police your camp up pretty nice. See some trash bags and stuff around that the wind picks up, it's going to be a problem. Okay? Thanks. Come on, Daniel. It's fishing time. This isn't a school day. This is a fishing day. It's fishing time.
We're up till like 3:30 in the morning because of animal.
Well, it possibly could have been the Peninsular Range bighorn sheep.
Yeah.
They come down at night to drink.
I want the best one.
The best one? That would be the one that catches the first fish, so you'll have to take it away from somebody if it's not your pull. The hook is right here, so be careful of that.
Okay. Well, this is old Sparky here. Nice little pull. It's gonna catch me some great trout. Me and Sparky. I used to fish every day when I was pregnant. I remember just catching this little bitty tiny fish. That's all I catch the whole time I was pregnated. I can cook them, but I ain't cleaning them. I haven't seen a fish yet.
Think they're gonna fly out of the water over to us?
No, they should be like swimming around.
Okay, let's try this area right here. See how we can do right here.
Watch out. You get a line, I get a pole, honey. You get a line, I get a pole, babe. You get a line, I get a pole. We'll go down a crowded hole, honey. Baby, now. What you gonna do when the creek goes dry, honey? What you gonna do when the creek goes dry, babe? What you gonna do when the creek goes dry? Sit on Crawdad's back and watch him die, honey. Baby, now. Honey,
I need a cigarette.
baby, now. You're not having a cigarette, Howard.
I need one.
Well, you're not having one. Patch.
Cigarette or a patch?
Well, too bad. You're not getting it. You know what? I'm going to send you to a psychotherapist where they can put it in your brain to where you don't have to smoke. Sure, Fry.
That was
Did you get something,
the
Daniel?
shoe guy.
Daniel got one.
Oh,
Mr.
little baby one. Oh, let me see it,
God,
pumpkin.
that's a baby.
Bring it over here.
Sugar Pie wants it.
Oh, poor little baby. Hand me that
You can let go.
This one we should
Let
definitely
this
throw
one
back.
go. Look.
I think he said we have to use the pliers to get it out of the... Careful, you're getting that dirty rag in your cereal.
I'm sorry, little fishy. Oh. I'm gonna throw you back.
If I can hurry up and
Get
get
it.
him.
Hurry, Howard.
I think this is the pliers he's talking about.
Get this undone, Howard.
Untangle.
Please, I got cereal in my lap. Oh, he's bleeding.
Look, he's already hurt and bleeding. He probably won't last long anyway in there.
Fish murder, Daniel. You should be ashamed of yourself. Look, he's alive. He was faking. He was playing possum. Look, he's alive, Punky. Yay! Okay, you're not a fish murderer. Oh, he's alive. He's alive. Yes.
Let's see if we
Thank
can
you,
figure out
Lord
the pliers.
Jesus Christ, I love you. You saved my fish.
I'm not much of a nature guy to begin with. And after one night of sleeping there with animals kicking rocks at the tent and no nicotine, I just had enough.
What the f crawled up your ass, Howard?
Nothing.
What are you looking for?
Just need my patch.
You think he could be so desperate that he's looking for cigarette butts, Mom?
Howard, we're gonna be home tomorrow, and you can have your patch tomorrow. Don't tell Kimmy to f you. Put that stupid cigarette butt down, you idiot.
Did I know whose it was?
Howard, you're being stupid. Look at you.
This. Do you really want to stay? Let's
I'm
just
having a good
go.
time. Why?
Let's just go.
Why?
'Cause.
Because you don't have a patch?
Yeah.
Well, f that. Just because you don't have a patch, you're not gonna f up our trip.
Please. You're having a spectacular time. Let's just go.
I don't want to go. I'm having a good time. Kimmy, do you want to go?
She f***ing wants to go. She told me earlier.
No, she didn't.
She did too.
I want to stay if you want to stay.
Oh.
See?
Oh, that's her saying she wants to stay.
She said she wants to stay.
No, she said, I'll stay if you stay.
Howard,
Let's just go.
fine. Fine, let's just go then. Because you're so stupid. Fine, come on, Kimmy, let's pack. Because the ignorant ass with no patch wants to go. You know what you need to do? You need to go see a hypnotist. So he can hypnotize your ass so you don't want to smoke, Howard.
Yeah, that's gonna.
That's what you need to do. Let's just give him one.
Hey, this doesn't look right. I thought you were staying another night.
And the wood.
We were, but Dickhead over here has a nicotine
Oh, please.
patch control.
Uh-oh.
He forgot his
Whatever. Grab my
patch,
keys.
so we all have to go home now because he doesn't have his patch on.
Please.
And he's having a nicotine fit.
Well, I can relate to that, but it took me a $10 bet 35 years ago to quit. Howard, you ought to be able to handle that.
No, he's being a wolf.
Yeah, I just.
Being a big fat
I should have
wuss.
just had my nicotine.
Okay, well, if I can't convince you to stay any longer, it was a pleasure meeting
It
you.
was a pleasure indeed.
I enjoyed your stay. I enjoyed your
Thank
company.
you.
Glad that there was some fish caught, although you didn't catch one of them. But, next
I'd have
time,
probably cried anyway.
don't forget where we're at.
Okay,
Come back and see us again.
I will.
All right.
When there's not somebody else with me. Maybe you just want to get laid, Howard. Why don't you
That
just
could be
go
it.
and pay? I'll pay for the whore to come over and your so you won't have an attitude your problem?
It's fine. Okay.
Fine, I will. I'll get you a hypnotist.